I got a whale on.
Whoa.
Yeah.
He's burning mine.
Yeah.
He's burning it.
Come on, hurry.
I'm gonna go over the fence.
Who's gonna get the fish? Parker, you have line on your feet.
You're jumping in.
What? Parker, hold the phone on the water.
Going?
Here, is your drag all the way on?
No.
Yay, the fish. Andrew, come on, hurry up. Because I'm going to get in and get him. Here, get behind him.
Do you still have scales?
Here.
Get behind me.
Here,
Tyler, you still have scales that can cut you.
So you can get
scales that can cut you, so.
I know. I'm not jumping yet. I'm like,
Take your socks and shoes off.
how did that work?
That's his bet. Tyler, help him.
I can't.
I can't really help. Okay, Tyler, turn the thread right. Wait, slowly. Yeah, that's good, that's good.
Oh, there we go.
He's still
Time it. Oh! Oh! Tyler.
Back up. Go for him. Grab by the gill, though. Okay? Make sure you...
Andrew, where's your phone? I have to text my grandma. No, not bring that grab by the gill.
Look at that.
Hurry. Get going.
Looking up, it's way out there. Okay.
Jeez. He looks like a shark.
He's about to snap it. He's gonna snap my
No,
pole.
he's not. He better not. He better not give up. You better not give up.
No, keep it behind Andrew.
I don't want to get snapped in the face.
We have a That's why there's a car.
Ask her if she can bring a net.
Home right now.
Ask her if she can bring a net. Oh my god, it's my crotch now.
Try grabbing the line. Grab the line. Ty,
Get behind him.
I can't. Ty, why don't you grab the line? Grab the line. Why don't you have gloves?
You want to grab it?
Take your shirt off and grab it.
Yeah, yeah. No, that's actually a good idea.
Give me your shirt.
No.
I'll give you my shirt, bro. I care while I'm reeling the damn pole. I'm reeling this in.
I bet the
Give me your shirt.
Tyler, just take your shirt.
I'm not taking my shirt.
I bet the country club could sue you for
Here we
nudity.
go. Here we go. Now, Tyler.
Parker, can I please see your shirt? I
No,
need someone's shirt.
he's yours.
Take your shirt off because you're the cameraman. No one will be able to see you.
I don't care.
Here, wait. I think there's a towel.
It's my favorite shirt. Use the bread bag if nothing. Grab the line. Here, wait, Ty. I'll get it. Grab it.
Are you serious?
Tyler.
You're gonna grab him?
I'll grab the line.
Don't grab the line. Here.
You got it. Whoa! Jeez.
Oh my. You want me to reel him in?
I can try.
No.
Grab him by the gills with this.
No, put your hands, Tyler.
How long is this gonna take?
It's gonna take from. Here we go. I'm
Okay.
quick. I'm going in quick. You ready now? Make an attempt. Both hands, you retard. Tyler, both hands.
And I'm trying to get.
It's gotta be both hands.
Oh my gosh, you just bit.
Tyler, by them, just
I think
grab by
he's-
the gills. Hurry. Grab him by the gills. He won't hurt you.
I know.
Tyler.
Grabbing him by the gills. It's not working out.
He's not giving up without a
You gotta
fight.
grab by the bottom of the gill.
That's what I did.
been 5 minutes.
There we go. Yes, grab him.
No, he's not opening his gills.
There you go. Pull him up now. Pull.
Oh!
He's a nice baby.
Oh!
Here, Tyler,
Go get the scale.
Tyler, you film now. Where's my Tyler, you film.
I am. I know you did. Pliers too, pliers. They're in the grass. Ooh. Hurry. Here, film. Give me. Yeah, I know. Here, get him by.
No possible.
Oh, dude, get him by.
Jeez, that thing is huge. You'll buy what?
Right through that. I'll dive on it. There, you almost got him.
I know.
Hold him down with the shoe.
He is.
No, he wasn't for a minute.
There you go.
Wait. Oh, there he is.
Oh, he's a free
All right,
fish.
here.
Nice, Tyler. Good job.
Jeez, that's
29 inches.
29 inches in length.
All right. Let's just. I got him. Better not break it.
This thing was a monster for you.
I think I got it.
6 minutes, almost 7 minutes so far. Tyler.
Back.
Get behind me, then.
I am. There we go. You sure?
Jeez.
Almost 20 pounds.
19 pounds. All right, put him down.
Step away so you can see how big it is.
Gee, that thing.
You want to hold it?
Pounds.
Andrew, hold it like this. Andrew, do this.
Yeah, I think you hit something inside of it.
Yeah, do that. I did it. So? Andrew,
Yeah.
it's your fish. Pick him up.
Wait, I'm gonna pick him up by the
Yeah, pick him up by the gills.
I think it needs water.
grab by the mouth.
Oh, there's another line right here. Andrew, you can't.
We have to get this fish.
You're not allowed to fish yet. It says signage now. We're putting up signage, no more fishing.
What should I do with this?
Is he alive?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It should be catch and release. That's it.
I know that's what we're doing.
We're trying to get him in the water.
Okay, we'll pick it up. Put it in the water.
Yeah.
Yes.